Most Americans are applying for TELUS jobs the wrong way, and that's why you are getting rejected. But people who use this method are getting instant approval. Digital Ads Assessor, US Retail, Data Analyst, all of them. Let me show you exactly how. But before I get to that, comment TELUS if you want me to send you a checklist and take a screenshot of the part that you will need during the exam. Definitely you're going to be needing almost every part of this video during the exam. And then the hack I'm about to show you is what got people hired within 48 hours. So don't miss this video, don't skip and watch till the end. Alright, so let's get straight into the video. Make sure you stay until the end because the final trick increases your approval chances by more than 10 times. So before you apply, you need to understand something most applicants never figure out. TELUS doesn't hire based on your resume. They hire based on your ability to follow instructions, your writing quality, your attention to detail, and your availability. So if your application looks rushed, generic, inconsistent, or poorly formatted, the system flags you immediately. But if you give them the exact structure they want, you get approved much faster. So sometimes it's even in less than 48 hours they're gonna get back to you. So there are three main positions Americans apply for. The first one is the Digital Ads Assessor. So this role reviews online ads, checks relevance, and scores content. Then the second one is the US rater, which is the search quality rater. This evaluates search results, websites, and content quality. Then the third one is the Online Data Analyst. This includes analyzing online queries, labeling and categorizing data, and map evaluation. And here's the key. The application format for all three is very similar. So here's the correct structure. Use a clean, simple resume with no graphics. Add relevant roles like content reviewer, online evaluator, search quality analyst, or data labeler. Then include measurable tags like not job titles precisely, but keep your resume in US English. Add your availability clearly at the top. So for example, available 15 to 20 hours per week, including weekends. This very one line alone increases approval rate dramatically. Then the third part here is the hidden mistakes Americans mostly make when making this application. These mistakes instantly get applicants rejected. First one is attaching a creative Canva style resume using British English spelling like color or the optimized, like the color I mean is the COLOUR instead of the COLOR. You should omit that U there. So not adding availability. Another one is writing extremely short job descriptions and adding irrelevant jobs like waitress, construction, cashier, or leaving blank sections, or using old email address that look unprofessional, or using an email address that you've used before in the application. TELUS wants clarity, structure, and US-based language. So fix these mistakes and your approval chance jumps. Another one is how to pass the exam. It's not just about you applying the job. Can you take the exam? Because after your application is reviewed, TELUS sends most positions an exam. So the exam is where 80% of people fail, not the application. So here's how to pass. Read the guidelines right before starting, and don't forget that I saw the answers to these exams, or I can send it to me and I'll help you take the exam for a fee. So read the guidelines twice before starting because most instructions are extremely precise. If TELUS says rate only the content inside the border, they mean exactly that. Don't overthink the ratings. TELUS looks for consistency, not perfection. And again, write full and clear explanations for roles that require written reasoning and avoid short answers. A perfect format looks like this. For example, this ad is relevant because it matches the search query intent, offers a product related to the keyword, and has no misleading claims. Alright, so practice before taking the test. Take a few sample ratings tags online, because this is gonna help. You understand? It helps your brain get used to the evaluation style. Then the next one is the trick that increases approval, just like the way I'm doing it here. So as you're listening to my voice recording, also watch what I'm doing on the screen, because here's the part very few people know. TELUS prioritizes applicants who show experience with online tax or digital evaluations, even if it's self-taught. You understand? So add one simple line to your resume: freelance online evaluator, completed over 200 plus online content rating tags using guidelines-based evaluation. So this is not lying. It includes anything like app evaluation, survey platforms, content scoring, AI tax website, rating apps, image labeling, data classification. Now, adding this one line tells TELUS you already understand guideline-based evaluation. So that single detail push you ahead of 90% of the applicants. And most Americans think TELUS ghosted them, but it's normal, because here's the actual timeline. Because the day one of the application to the third day, application is reviewed manually. Then day 4 to 7, you receive the exam invite. Then day 7 to 14, your exam is graded. 14 to 24th day, like 21 days, is the final onboarding or rejection email, which is normal. So if you applied months ago and had nothing, you probably applied the wrong way, or the job was not open. You understand? Either the job was not open or you applied the wrong way. So make sure you follow what I'm saying here in this video. See you in the next one.
Want to start earning $1,000 a week online but stuck at account signups, failed exams, or verification roadblocks?
Real freelancers don't wait. They start earning today.
Want to start earning $1,000 per week online but stuck at account signups, failed exams, or verification roadblocks? White heavy checkmark, we've got you covered. By verified freelance accounts, TELUS, OneFormer, Appen, Remo Tasks, Wellocalize, and more. Get exam answers that work and breeze through verifications, all done fast, securely, and anonymously. Globe showing Europe Africa trusted by over 500 freelancers worldwide. Ready to stop failing and start earning? White right pointing backhand index DM now. Spots are limited.